New York City schools will be operating remotely. This will be the first time they've done this since the system-wide crash back in 2024. Joining us this morning is the school's Chancellor, Kamar. Good morning, Chancellor. Good to talk to you this morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
I know you've been preparing because you were in the middle of that in 2024. I know you don't want to see that happen again. Tell me how you're feeling this morning in just a few minutes before all this begins.
Yeah, I know. I'm feeling very confident, as a former teacher planning lessons. You don't always know exactly how it's going to turn out, but you have to make sure you do the best you can in your planning. And that's what we've done here.
So the decision to go fully remote wasn't made until yesterday afternoon. What ultimately led you to make that call?
Yeah, I think for us, it was important not just to think about the snowfall on Sunday, but the overnight conditions, the icing, the sleet. We were very concerned about the commute into school this morning and how safe that would be for our students and families.
And Chancellor, for families who maybe don't have reliable internet access or need some help troubleshooting, what should they do?
Yeah, so 718-935-5100. That's our help desk. There are folks there 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. To really help everyone who has any kind of challenge. Now, for folks who don't have reliable internet service, we have had and have distributed iPads with LTE devices that do have internet capabilities.
So the mayor said that students could throw a snowball at him for not canceling school and giving them a true snow day. Is this the end of snow days in the city?
Yeah, we don't want to say it's the end of anything. But what we do have is a calendar that's very restrictive, if you will, because we're a city that celebrates a lot of holidays, and so we have several holidays in our calendar that make it hard for us to do additional days. 180 days is required by the state, and as of now, today, we do not have the flexibility.
So what is it? The schools have just one snow day, like on the record per year. How many snow days do you? Yeah.
Currently, we do not have any wiggle room for a snow day. Mm-hmm. However, in the future, when you think about the calendar, it's possible to build in one or possibly two, but it's very, very difficult. And so the remote option, while not ideal, is an option. And because the schools play such an important role in our ecosystem as a city, I think it's really important that we maintain connectivity of our school communities, even in off days, especially our most vulnerable families who really depend on school. And so we're continuing to really make sure we offer the best remote access that we can.
And we wish you the very best. I know it's a difficult morning for everyone. So thank you so much for taking some time to talk to us. New York City Schools Chancellor Kamar.